Hey good people of the world, so you're into saving money on your automotive repair and maintenance needs. You've come to the right place if you've got a 2016 Nissan Murano or any Nissan Murano or engine for that matter that looks similar to this. All we really need to worry about in this video is the air box. That's what we're doing today. We are changing our air filter after 2 years of it not being changed at all. Unfortunately, this little maintenance step was skipped, overlooked, forgotten about. Choose your adjective. It wasn't done. So today we're going to take a grasp at getting this done and see just how easy this is. As far as technical difficulty, it doesn't get much easier than this. All we have to do is pop 2 tabs and the air filter comes right out. So tab number 1 is right here. Our second tab is kind of hidden, but it's right here and it's the exact same style. All you have to do is pull up. That way your air box splits open. Just lift up gently, grab your old air filter, and let's see what kind of buildup this thing has. Well, not looking too bad here, but when we flip it over, yeah, that's bad. You can definitely tell lots of grit and grime and bugs and dirt and all sorts of things are on this air filter, to be expected on a motor with 20,000 miles and no air filter change. Yeah, again, don't ask me why I haven't done this. It just slipped my mind. So we're going to get rid of this and we're going to replace it with a brand new clean filter. This one right here. It is a Fram ExtraGuard CA4309. And this is good up to 12,000 miles, so about, every 1.5 to 2 oil changes, you could be wise to change your air filter. As far as, this specific air filter, this is as good as it needs to be. Don't spend too much money on these. This is going to perform exactly as the factory one did, if not better. So don't waste your money on the extra, super great, super awesome filter. You're just going to toss it after 10 to 12,000 miles anyway. So don't worry about that. Okay, so let's begin the installation of the new air filter. It's going to be just as easy as the removal. All we need to do is lift our air box up, slide the new one in, falls right into place, make sure it's seated properly and you don't have any corners sticking up. Other than that, you're just going to close the box just like you opened it. Push down on one of the secure tabs here, push down on the other one. Should hear a snap. Looks good, feels good. That's it, it's over. Your air filter is now changed. You just saved $30 to $50 by doing this yourself as opposed to having a dealership do it. So don't be intimidated by this. This is super easy. You can get your air filter probably where you shop. Target, Walmart, any auto store will have this. It's very common. So get up there, do this fix yourself, save some money. See you next time.